Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 3rd Maths, exercise 3.4. Students, in exercise 3.4, the questions are given which I had written here 1 and 2. First and second question I had written here. The story sums, the word problems are given in this exercise, and students, you are facing maximum number of problems, maximum doubts you are having generally related to story sums, the word problems you can say. Okay, so for that reason only I'll explain it by giving some short examples so that it will be easy for you to understand what you have to do in this question, what is given in the question, what question is asked, what you have to find out. Okay, so few things are there, like in word problems you should know first thing that what is given in the question. Okay, what things are given, what values, which values are known to you from the question. Then students, you should know what you have to find out. Okay, so what you have to find out after knowing that what things are given, easily you will be able to understand what you have to find out and which operation, either plus or minus, which operation you have to do here. Means either you have to do subtraction in this question or addition in this question, that you can know very well after writing the known values and what to find out. These two things or three things, after knowing these all, you will be able to understand what you have to do. Either you have to do addition or subtraction. So students, see here in question number 1 of exercise 3.4, the question is, Sajid, a fruit seller, had 560 kg of apples. So students, I am reading the question, then I explain you. The next thing is written, he sold 385 kg during the day. How many apples are left with him? So students, here the question is, Sajid is a fruit seller, okay, and he has 560 kg of apples. Means what is given? Total Sajid has 560 kg of apple. Means total apples are given. What is the weight of that apple? 560. Total apples 560 kg. Okay, in kg, the unit used here is kg. Okay, now it is given that he sold. How much he has sold during the day? In that particular day, he has sold 385 kg of apples. So it is given that this much apples are present, this much kg of apples are present, and this much kg of apple is sold. So now question is, how many apples are left with him? Means how much, what is the quantity of the apples left with him after selling this much of apples. So students, we should start by writing the statement, because it is a word problem, it is a story sum, we have to write the statements also. So students, I told you what is given in the first line, total apples. How many total apples are there? It is 560 kg. How much? 560 kg. Okay. Now he sold 385 kg during the day. How much he sold? So Sajid, S-A-J-I-D, Sajid sold. How much he sold? Sajid has sold how much apples? So Sajid sold 385 kg. Okay, Sajid has sold how much? Or we can write, instead of Sajid sold, we can write apples sold. Okay, apples sold. Okay, so apples sold is 385 kg. Now question is, how many apples are left with him? Therefore, apples left with him. How many apples are left with him? So students, I hope you are understanding the question. So we can take one more example. If you are having 10 kg for example 5 kg of apples with you, okay, and for example your friend has taken 3 kg of apple from you. So how much apples are left with you? 2 kg. How we have done? We have taken 5. Total 3 given. So now left 2. So 5 total minus 3 given. We have received 2. So in the same way, total 560 minus means sold 385. So how much is left? So now students, 0 minus 5 cannot be done. 6 minus 8 cannot be done. Why? Because these two numbers, these two digits are smaller than the lower digits which is given below 8. Now 5 is greater than 3, so 5 will become 4. This will be 16, 16 will become 15 and it will give 10 here. So see simply students, 10 minus 5 is 5 and 15 minus 8, 15, you have to remove 8 from 15. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Forward counting. Okay, so 7. So 7 plus 8, of course you can check. 7 plus 8 is 15. So 15 is here. So simply 15 minus 8, 7. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. So students, 175 and this unit is written already here. So we have to write down here. So simply apples left with him. Means with Sajid is 175 kg. Okay, so 175 kg of apples are left with Sajid after selling 385 kg from 560 kg of apples. Clear to you students? Yes, I hope you have understood. So shall we move to question number 2? Yes, start. See, a shopkeeper has 2645 trousers and shirts. It is not mentioned whether it is trouser or shirt, means total of trousers and shirt is 2645 total. Okay, if he has 1742 trousers, how many shirts does he have? So this is the number of trousers he has. So how many shirts are there? So total is there. So students, for example, I am taking you as an example. Think about you. For example, you have 5 shirts and trousers. For example, we are taking you have 5 shirts and trousers. Means I am telling that 5 is the number of both shirts and trousers. Okay. So out of that, if I am telling like here it is given, out of that 2 are trousers, how many are shirt? So students, the question is 5, you have shirts and trousers. If 2 are trousers, how many are shirt? Is this indication easy for you? If 5 is the total, 5 shirts and trousers are there, 2 are trousers, then how many shirts you have? 3. So how we have taken out? 5 total, 2 trousers we have removed, and what is left? 3. So simply this way only we have to do. Total is given. Instead of 5 we will write this, and instead of subtracting the trousers we will subtract this number. Okay. So simply total clothes. Why I am writing clothes, students? Because total number of shirts and trousers it is given. You can write total shirts and trousers. Total number of shirts and trousers. Okay. So total number of shirts and trousers is equal to 2645. Okay. So now if he has this much trousers, so trousers is equal to trousers. How many trousers are there? 1742. If this is the trousers, so therefore question is how many shirts does he have? So now number of shirts. So number of shirts, how much? Instead of directly writing the trousers, you can write the number of trousers. Okay, number of trousers. So number of trousers is given here 1742. So now therefore number of shirts. How many shirts are there? So as I had told you, we will do subtraction here. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 7 cannot be done. 2 will become 1. It will give 1 here. So 16. 16 minus 7, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How much? 9. So total 9. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So you can write 0, or if you are not writing then also it's okay. So simply students, the number of shirts we have received is 903. Means total 2645 trousers and shirts the shopkeeper has. Now 1742 are only trousers. So how many shirts are there? How we have find out? We have found out by subtracting. So the answer is 903. So students, in this way you can solve exercise 3.4, rest of the word problems which you will tell as story sums. Okay. So story sums you can solve easily by watching this video. Thank you for watching.